Everyone says you should start investing early, but nobody tells you how. If you're under 18, can you even open an investment account? The answer is yes, but not by yourself. Here's exactly how it works. Most brokerage firms require you to be at least 18 years old to open an account in your own name. That means if you're 15, 16, or 17, you usually need a parent or legal guardian to help you get started. The easiest option is something called a custodial investment account. Think of it like training wheels for investing. An adult, like a parent, opens and manages the account for you. But the money and the investments inside are meant for your benefit. They legally belong to you. When you reach the age specified by your state's laws, usually 18 or 21, full ownership and control transfer to you automatically. Opening one is actually easier than most people think. You'll typically need a parent or guardian present, your social security number, their social security number, and a bank account to transfer money from. The entire application usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes online. That's it. Seriously, if you're listening to this and you're serious about starting, pause this right now and send it to your parent or guardian. That conversation is the first real step. Now, here's the part most people get wrong. They think they need thousands of dollars. You don't. Many investment platforms allow you to buy fractional shares. That means if a single share of a company you like costs $300, you don't need $300. You can invest $10 or $25 or whatever fits your budget. The goal isn't to get rich overnight, it's to build the habit of investing consistently. So, what should you buy? If you're just starting, don't try to find the next company that's going to explode. Many experienced investors simply buy broad market index funds. An index fund owns hundreds, sometimes thousands of companies in one single investment. Instead of betting on one winner, you're investing in the growth of the overall market. It's a simple strategy that has worked well over long periods, although it's important to remember that all investments can go up and down in value. But here's the crazy part. Your biggest advantage isn't money, it's time. Imagine someone starts investing at 16 instead of waiting until they're 26. That's 10 extra years for compound growth to work its magic. Those early years can make a huge difference over decades. The small amounts you invest today have the potential to grow into something much, much larger down the road. Time is something you can never buy back. So, let's bring it all together. You don't need thousands of dollars, you don't need to be a stock market expert, and you don't even need to be 18 to start learning how to invest. You just need a parent or guardian, a custodial account, and the discipline to invest consistently. The hardest part isn't opening the account, it's taking the first step. So, what's stopping you? Comment below if you're ready to start investing. Like this video, subscribe for more teen money tips, and share it with your parents or a friend who needs to see this.